Hey fellow investors, it's Monday, December 7th, 2020. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockCard, and here's a recap of today's market's noteworthy movements. The stock market indices didn't agree on the direction. As you know, the government is still exploring the second stimulus package. It's not clear whether people get a second check from the government or the package will be spent differently. As always, the market hates uncertainty the most, and that's why the Dow and the S&P 500 indices finished today in the red, and the Nasdaq index wrapped Monday in the green, but only slightly. From the day's top movers list, shares of Luminar Technologies were up by more than 32% on Monday. This company came out of a SPAC merger with a startup with the same name on December 3rd. It develops LiDAR for self-driving cars. It's a laser that measures the distance between a vehicle and objects around it. It's built by a 25-year-old founder. That should tell you everything you would need to know about this company. If the founder is 25 years old and the company has no product yet, what is the market excitement all about? The stock is running on the rush by investors to get a piece of the action after the merger. As per the company's IPO documentation, Luminar is partnered with 7 of the top 10 global automakers and is set to power the introduction of highway, self-driving, and next-generation safety systems. That's cool, but does the company have a product? Well, let's see what the company says. Starting in 2022, Luminar's hardware and the software will be integrated into Volvo's global vehicle platform, the foundation for their next consumer vehicles. Okay, that means this is a pre-product but fascinating technology startup that is going public or have already gone public. And if you are investing in it now, you are investing in the excitement about the future of self-driving cars and not a fully established company. Looking at the top losers of the day, shares of Sumo Logic were down by more than 16%. The company is a recent IPO and just announced its first quarterly earnings report as a publicly traded company. Revenue growth was double digit and the current quarter was better than expected. So no one really knows why the stock is down, except that the quarterly earnings report was announced in the middle of the day, something no other company does. The drop is so strange that it makes me wonder if there is more to the story. I didn't invest in the stock even though it seemed quite beaten down for no reason. Perhaps there is something wrong and the news may break tomorrow. Or I just missed an excellent opportunity to buy a stock at a lower price. As always, I don't have to swing my bat at every pitch. One noteworthy news came from ride-sharing company Uber that decided to focus on its core business and sell its unprofitable big bet on future of autonomous or self-driving cars. It's good news because it means the leadership at Uber is focused on getting the company's main business work instead of burning cash on bets that take time to pan out. But the company is not thoroughly washing its hands off of the future of self-driving cars, and it's investing $400 million in Aurora, the startup that is buying the division from Uber. In the end, the future of public transportation could be running an efficient fleet of self-driving taxis, and it's good that Uber has taken a stake in the startup while not burning cash and attention on a day-to-day basis on self-driving cars. Uber is finally focusing. I'd say a focused Uber is a good Uber. By the way, talking about Luminar and Uber reminded me of the self-driving stock list on a StockCard. We just featured this list of stocks to help you quickly find the companies that are working in the autonomous cars or self-driving industry. To get the list, you can visit a StockCard's Discover page and either type in autonomous cars in the search bar or see the featured tab. That's it for today. If you like these quick noteworthy movement reports directly from my daily stock market research, please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. I'll see you tomorrow.